Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nitish Patra. I'm here to give you a review about Digital Deepak internship program. Before talking about this internship program, let me tell you who actually Digital Deepak is. Deepak Kanakaraju is a blogger, speaker and a digital marketing consultant who is also known as Digital Deepak. He has more than 10 years of experience in digital marketing field. He is the co-founder of OptinChat and PixelTrack. His website digitaldeepak.com is one of the best websites in India. He has trained more than 3000 students till now. Now coming to the point, what this Digital Deepak internship program actually is. It is basically a 12-week structured program in which you will be learning about all the topics in digital marketing. In these 12 weeks, you will be given assignments to complete within a given deadline as per your taught topics. Once you complete the assignment, you will be given cashback for each assignments you do it. This is the best part of this program, where you are learning a topic and then you are implementing it via doing in the assignment in your real life, and then you are getting actually paid for it. Not only this, there is a Facebook group in which each and every interns will be helping out other interns. So there is a community in which you will be helped out throughout your entire journey. And of course, you will be having live webinars to ask all your doubts. I am in batch 4 of Digital Deepak internship program. I have learned topics like basics of marketing, SEO, content marketing, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and many more. Right now I am in week 11 of this training program and my confidence level is like sky high. I learned so many things in these weeks by learning and actually doing it. I think it was just awesome. I must say the last few months has been amazing and completely transformational for me. I mean it completely. Earlier I used to think how I can create my own website and where I can store my contents. Within a span of few time, I was able to do it. Not only this, I created contents like Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO optimized blogs within a few span of time, which was enjoyable work for me. Moreover, I got to learn about digital marketing automation tools like ConvertKit or MailChimp, etc., which I was able to apply in real life also. Believe me, if I can do it, then definitely you also can do it. There is a difference between doing and learning. In market, there are a lot of courses available in which you will be learning the digital marketing topics without implementing it. But here in Digital Deepak internship program, it is quite the opposite. Here you will be implementing the topics in your assignments for which you are getting paid. So don't wait. If you are interested to make a career growth in digital marketing or to become a digital marketing expert, this program is the best choice you can make. I would recommend you strongly, without any hesitation, to join this internship program. For the upcoming batches, I am providing you a link in the description box to join. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.